So I was watching one of Kevin Powell's old tutorials the other day. By the way, if you don't know Kevin Powell, he makes CSS tutorials on YouTube and is often referred to as the king of CSS. And I noticed this.
Whenever we have a hover, we should also have a focus state.
I didn't know that. I mean, I've seen the focus on a link before, but I didn't really pay any attention to it. So I did some research this time. It's easy to understand the focus state of an input box. When you click on an input box, it gets the focus. But when does a link get the focus? It could be hovered or clicked, but where is the focus? It turns out the key is the tap key. When you tap to a link, it gets the focus. Giving a focused link the same style as the hovered one makes it easier to be seen. It does make sense to style the focus state if you are going to style the hover state anyway. Well, I just want to share this simple tip from Kevin with you. Do you agree with him? Would you give your links a focus style? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.